WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a network security standard that simplifies connecting devices to your Wi-Fi network. Instead of manually typing in complex passwords, WPS offers a much easier way to get your devices connected. WPS works primarily through a method called push-button connect. This means you simply press the WPS button on both your router and the device you want to connect. The two devices then automatically share the network credentials and establish a secure connection. Now let's locate the WPS button on your Spectrum router. The WPS button is typically found on the back panel of your Spectrum router. Look for a button labeled with WPS or the Wi-Fi Protected Setup logo we just saw. It's important to distinguish between the WPS button and the reset button on your router. The WPS button is specifically for Wi-Fi protected setup connections, while the reset button will restore your router to its factory settings, which you definitely don't want to press accidentally. Some Spectrum routers may not have a physical WPS button on the device itself. If you can't find a WPS button on your router, don't worry. You can still enable WPS through your router's management system by accessing it through a web browser using your admin credentials. To enable WPS on your Spectrum router, locate the WPS button and press it for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED indicator will start blinking, showing that WPS mode is now active. Once WPS is enabled, you have a 2-minute window to connect your device. You can connect in 2 ways. Either press the WPS button on your device if it has one, or select the WPS option in your device's Wi-Fi settings. The router will automatically share network credentials and establish the connection. Once successful, the WPS light on the router will turn solid, indicating that your device is now connected to the Wi-Fi network. For routers without a physical WPS button, you can enable WPS through the router's web interface. Access your router settings via a web browser and navigate to the WPS configuration page to enable the feature. Important security note: WPS has known vulnerabilities and should be disabled when not actively connecting devices. For maximum security, consider using traditional password-based connections or more secure alternatives like QR code sharing.